Motorists in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth say they are struggling because roads that were recently repaired have been damaged again due to heavy rainfall. The latest flooding happened Monday, resulting in traffic delays while several businesses were impacted. The motorists contend that travel is increasingly becoming difficult and frustrating.
Very hard. We have to take a banking. The road mash up and I just other day then sort it out. It look like I water from up in the hills and mash up road, so we are going to need a drain. That's when it come, it turn either right or left.
Vendors have also been affected. And it's time for a break, but stay with us, more stories when we return. Welcome back to the Midday News. It is now time for the Business Minute. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica reports that 14,500 workers either lost their jobs or left the tourism sector between January 2025 and January 2026. The agency says 12,600 persons exited the real estate sector, while another 9,000 left jobs in agriculture, forestry, and fisheries over the same period. In addition, 10,000 sales and service workers, 8,000 clerical employees, and 6,800 agricultural workers either became unemployed or voluntarily left their jobs during the year. Further afield, President Donald Trump's approval rating on the economy has dropped to a new low. That's according to a CNN poll. 31% approved of his handling of the economy, while roughly two-thirds say his policies have made conditions worse. Only 27% approve how he's handling inflation, a sharp drop from 44% a year ago. And strong approval is slipping even among Republicans, with nearly 3 in 10 saying his policies have worsened the economy. Overall, about 3/4 of Americans say the economy is in poor shape, and most expect it to stay that way over the next year. And that's it for the Business Minute. And here's a preview of what's coming up in this evening's health report.
In this evening's health report, we look at diet during perimenopause and menopause.
Insulin, by the way, even though it's a hormone and it serves its process, but being high all the time is going to lead to inflammation. So inflammation in your body is also another impact that's impacting our bodies in so many different ways. So what can we do? We've got to mind the diet. Type 2 diabetes is a real thing. So I want women, if I could say, if they don't get anything else, I know the hot flashes are uncomfortable, but beyond the hot flashes is what I like to talk about, the cardiometabolic issues that's looming, which means that yes, you're hot, but beyond that, we're staring type 2 diabetes, pre-diabetes down the barrel, heart disease, and all of these things.
That's the health report in Primetime News at 7. And now for today's healthy living tip. Balance blood sugar. Limit refined carbs and added sugars. Prioritize protein and healthy fats. Include lean meats, fish, eggs, nuts, and avocado. Fiber-rich foods. Eat plenty of vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. And choose low-sugar fruits. Avoid high-sugar fruits and favor options like berries, apples, and citrus.
Time now for the top regional and international stories.
In the region, St. Vincent and the Grenadines has created a national cost of living task force to respond to rising energy and food prices caused by the Middle East conflict. The group will focus on short-term relief like tax measures and long-term solutions, including cheaper food imports from regional partners and investment in renewable energy. It brings together government, private sector, and regional partners to reduce costs and protect vulnerable citizens. On the international scene, a video posted by Iran's semi-official state media Mir News shows the aftermath of an attack on Tuesday. A major Shiite religious center and mosque located in the central Iranian city of Zanjan. Footage shows significant damage to the structure of the mosque with rubble and debris on the ground and plumes of smoke. According to the Iranian state broadcaster, parts of the complex were hit on Tuesday, destroying the administrative and cultural buildings, including the library and assembly hall. And that's it for your regional and international stories. I'm Christopher Scott.
And we head to our final break, but when we come back, we'll have your midday sports report.